going to be doing a sprite editor and background editor program today. So the first thing I want to show you is how to use your background editor. So you're going to come here and click on your backdrops. And then once you click on backdrops, then you can click over here on backdrop. And you'll notice that I already have for you one that says sun, raining, snowy, and fall. Now, once I come to sun, we're going to change this a little bit to match the backdrop. So the way here, let's just go over for a few of our tools. So these are similar to what we've learned before. The bucket is your fill tool. It fills a shape. Your paintbrush is your drawing tool. Your arrow is your select tool. This is your eraser. This is how you add text. And then you have a few shapes. This is a circle and a square and a line. And then here's your color. The inside, here's the outline color of the line. You can change this outline size. And then just here's copy and paste, which we're going to be using later on. And then some flipping. And of course, if you need something to go forward or backward, that can happen too. So this is just your editor. So if I wanted to, I saw this is sunny. So I want to add a sun. So the best way I know to add a sun is I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to pick my color. You can play around with this to make it as light or dark as you want, kind of like that one. So now I'm going to click a circle and I'm just going to come over here and draw the circle. Now do you see it has that black line on it? So now I'm going to come over here to outline and I'm just going to say no line. And then it takes care of the line. So now I've quickly added a sun. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add a new color. So I want kind of a white color. So I'm just going to take it all the way over here to white. And I'm going to go to my paintbrush. And this is how thick your paintbrush is. So I'm going to make this be, let's say 20. You can make this, the bigger the number, so then I'm just going to draw a cloud. So make it like it's a cloudy day, kind of a little bit of white fluffy cloud. Then I can go to my paint bucket and turn that. So now I've got a cloud, and so you see it now changed this one. Now if I go to the next one, now I wanted to change this one, I would come over here and say, well, if it's a rainy day, then I'm guessing it's going to be kind of the sky is going to look gray. So I'm going to click the bucket and change that to gray. And maybe now I'm going to make it a little bit darker gray. And now I'm going to, with my paintbrush, now I'm going to draw some rain clouds. And now I'm going to come to the bucket, turn it. And because I want it to look rainy, now I'm going to come over here and you're going to change your color. You're going to change it to maybe a light blue or something that you think represents rain. And I'm just going to do some dots to make it look like it's raining, and I'm going to put them all over. And then you're going to do the same thing for snowy. Now with snowy, you're probably going to maybe make it a light gray again, and maybe you're going to have some clouds again. But this time, instead of, see, I'm trying to color there, I could just use my bucket tool to color that. And if I wanted to, instead of drawing that again, I could select it, I could copy, I could paste, and now I have two of them. Okay, so now I'm going to add some snowflakes. So this time I'm going to come over here and I'm going to get some, maybe a little bit of a light blue. And I'm going to use my paint bucket again. Now I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. And now I'm just going to come over here and I'm just going to draw some snowflakes. So that way it looks like it's snowing. And your snowflakes don't have to be perfect. I like to just kind of do 1, 2, 3 lines, and then just kind of make them look kind of cool. Okay, now I want to color the background here. So now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to make it look like it's been snowing all day. So now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to just go to my bucket, and now I can change this to be white to make it look like it's been snowing. So it's like it's covered in snow. So now when I come off of it, so this one has a background. So if I come click on this one, I can come and get rid of the lines here. Okay, so then it looks like it's just a snowy day. And I might leave the green on top so you can kind of see, maybe you see the green trees. But now how would you make a fall scene? Maybe you want to add, maybe you want to draw a tree or add a tree, or maybe, and then maybe you could make it fall colors. So how would you do that one? So this is basically how you would use your background editor to make your different weathers. Have fun.